Morning, dear students. Welcome to our online teaching session. Yesterday we have learned lesson number 28, that was a poem, Baby's Dress. In that we have learned that how mothers are wonders to dress their newborn babies. Okay, so today we are going to learn lesson number 29, Young Scientist 1, 2. Part 1 we have learnt in our first semester. Now today we are going to learn part 2. You know, in this lesson there are some science tricks. They are seems to be magic tricks. So here also we are having a trick. It seems like a magic trick. So let's read the lesson. Lesson number 29, Young Scientist 2. We have seen a few interesting things that seems like magic trick. If you understand how the trick works, you can use the science in it to make many such interesting things. Let us look at one such example. When we saw magic tricks, okay, so there is a science behind that. Actually, there is a science behind that. There is no such magics. There are some magic science tricks, and it is called as a magic trick. So here we will see one trick, a mouse in the house. Okay, there is a mouse and it will go in the house. How it will be? Let's see. For that, what we need? For that we need a cardboard, pencil, crayon, scissor, ruler, etc. A punch. Punch is a tool making holes in the paper, which we are using mostly in the offices. Okay. Now what you do? Cut out a cardboard from the cardboard sheet. It should be about 7 centimeter into 10 centimeter in size. You have to cut a rectangle paper. Okay, cardboard sheet. It should be in rectangle shape and the size is of 7 centimeter to the 10 centimeter. Make holes on each of its longer side as shown. See that the holes are exactly opposite to each other. You have to make the holes. Okay, then now draw the picture of mouse on one side of the cardboard rectangle. Draw the picture neatly near the middle of the rectangle as shown. As you can see, you have to make the picture of a mouse and it should be small. Okay, now turn over the cardboard rectangle. The mouse side should be down and the blank side should be up. Okay, you can see here mouse should be down and the house should be at up. Now draw a house near the middle of the blank side of the picture. The picture of the mouse should be larger than the picture of the mouse. Okay, house should be larger and mouse smaller. Okay, now color the picture of mouse if you like. You have to color the picture of the mouse if you like it. Now take two pieces of string, each about 19 centimeter long. Now you have to take two strings of thread. See here. Okay, and thread a string through each hole. The knot is in each string to make a loop. Thus you have the cardboard rectangle strung through the two holes. Okay, now you can see here, hold the string loops between the thumb and forefinger. As you can see here, you have to hold the thread in your forefinger and thumb. Twist the thread several times, then pull the loops out a little. When we was small, we are getting a toy like this. Okay, so the cardboard will start twirling. Okay, it will goes round and round and round. What pictures do you see on the cardboard? Right, you will see the mouse has entered the house and you have to make it. then only you will come to know the exact experiment. You cannot see the exact experiment in this. When you will make it, you will see, right? You will see the mouse has entered the house. How did this happen? When did the mouse travel? Now stop drilling the cardboard. You will find that the mouse has gone back to his place on the other side of the sheet. So what was the explanation? When you see something, your eye remembers the picture for a very tiny bit of time. If you show it a second picture within that tiny bit of time, it sees both of picture at the same time. The mouse does not really move at all. You can also paste a stick between two discs or squares of paper and quickly twirl the stick. If there are two different pictures on the two visible sides, you will see them as one picture. Try this simple experiments and surprise your friends. Here are some ideas for your experiments. You may use your own ideas to make this amazing toy. Okay, you can see, you can use a rectangle, and these are the two picture. One side you will make this picture, second side you will make this picture. One side, second side, one side, second side, one side, second side. So in this, what you will do, you have to make a toy and you have to send that picture of the toy to me. Okay, you have to make the toy by your own and you have to send the picture to me. It's just an activity based lesson. So read the lesson, do the activity and send me the picture of your activity. That's all. Okay my dear students, Allah